radicals. In the previous lesson, we discussed about simplification of radicals. And we said for us to simplify radicals, we need to look at the factors of the radicand, that is the numbers, okay? That is under the square root or enclosed by the square root, whichever way you want to put it. Okay, so we look for two factors, usually a perfect square and non-perfect square. And in some cases, both could be perfect squares. Uh, Here we have for the 5. So we look for two numbers. Like I said, you can use your skill or your prowess when it comes to multiplication. All right. So we have for the 5 here. Look for two factors, of course, 9 and 45. Sorry, 9 and 5 rather. 9 and 5. 9 and 5. And the 9 is a perfect square, and of course the 5 isn't a perfect square. Okay, and we look at the next number, 28. We have 4 times 7. This actually takes a lot when it comes to multiplication. You need to be very sound with your multiplication table to really get this as quick as possible. All right, so the square root of 9 is 3. Okay, and we have 5. This is the simplest form we can have here. Okay, and we have square root of 4 is 2, and of course we have square root of 7. These are the simplest form we can ever have. So the next thing now is to multiply. What we simply do here, we multiply like terms. It's as simple as that. Okay, what are the like terms here? 3 and 2 are like terms, and of course we have root 5 and root 7 are also like terms. So we do that. We have 3 times 2, okay, times root 5 times root 7. Okay, so all what you have here is multiplication. Okay, it's all multiplication. So don't just worry about it. So we multiply out 3 times 2 here gives me 6. Okay, and of course what I have here is 5 times 7. I have, that's root 5 times root 7. That gives me root 35. And I think this is the simplest form that I can have of this. So that's my final answer. Let us move on to the next one. I can simply apply the second rule of radicals, okay? And instead of writing this separately, I can rewrite it and put it as the square root of 24 divided by 50. And I can simply do something here to reduce the magnitude of the numbers here or the radicands here. So I can divide by 2, okay? Yeah, I can divide by 2 and also divide by 2 here. And if I do that, what I have at the end of the day is the square root of 12 over 25. See? Over 25, yeah. And now I can do something here. Can write this as 4 times 3, okay? Why this right here is square root of 25. Okay, I'm taking it back to how it was from the beginning. And here, the square root of 4 right here is 2. So I have 2 root 3. And the square root of 25 is simply 5. This is my final answer. I believe I have been able to, explain in some ways how you can multiply and divide radicals. If you have any question, if you have any concern, you can use the comment section. I'm going to see you in my next video. For now, please do like, share, and if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.